shame on the UP government and the police, who played out a brutal drama yesterday in Aligarh, where women and children were beaten up mercilessly when they protested against the rape and murder of a 6-year-old child.
Finally acting under pressure, the Akhilesh Yadav government suspended 3 officials, which include the circle officer who was seen hitting those women. Here's a report.
A brutal police crackdown in Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. Residents were protesting the death of a 6-year-old girl whose body had been found Thursday morning. As the protesters vented their anger on the police for inaction, the police lashed out in force, even targeting the mother of the child. According to reports, the police had even refused to file a complaint when the girl first went missing on Wednesday night.
3:30 बजे लड़की गायब होती है, सुबह 5 बजे उसकी बॉडी मिलती है, 7 बजे ये डिमांड होती है कि आप जो अभियुक्त हैं वो पकड़े जाने चाहिए और बलात्कार होना चाहिए, और उसके बाद पुलिस पर वो होता है। तो 2 घंटा के अंदर में कहीं की पुलिस अर्ली मॉर्निंग कैसे किसी को ढूंढ पाएगी?
They have beaten up the woman. What kind of a police brute force, insensitive brute force that UP police has become?
Political parties were quick to express outrage or, in the ruling Samajwadi Party's case, defend themselves.
अलीगढ़ में सारी सीमाएं तोड़ रही है वहां की पुलिस यूपी में। आज जंगल राज जैसी स्थिति उत्तर प्रदेश में हो गई है।
लाइन ऑर्डर हमारा बहुत दुरुस्त चल रहा है, और जो और कमियां हैं, कर्मचारी की कमी है, लाइन ऑर्डर की कमी नहीं है।
By Thursday evening, however, the UP administration had swung into action, suspending 21 government officials, including several policemen. But by then, the damage to Aligarh's residents and the administration's image had been done. With bureau inputs in New Delhi, Neha Punya.
जब उनकी बॉडी आपको मिले उसके बाद पुलिस का क्या रवैया था?
पुलिस का ये रवैया है तो बॉडी को ले जा रही थी। बॉडी जो ले जा रही पुलिस तो गांव के ने कहीं अभी रुक जाओ तो बस ले गए बॉडी को, फिर लाठीचार्ज बाद में करिए। मुझको मारा है, परिवार को मारा है, गांव को मारा है कि छूट है, क्या छूट है, मेरी बीमारी का है, गोली भी चली है, एक लौंडा अस्पताल में भर्ती है, एक लड़का भी यहाँ बना पड़ा हुआ है, और एक लड़के के पेट में लाठी मारी है जो 4 साल का है।
आपका क्या मांग है पुलिस से?
पुलिस से मेरी ये मांग है कि मेरी बच्ची के जो बलात्कारी हैं उनको गिरफ्तार किया जाए, फांसी की सजा मिलनी चाहिए। पुलिस ने कोई नहीं किया है, हमको ही धमकाया, गांव को मारपीट की है।
Well, the family, they're talking about police atrocity, and a shocking statement made by the Aligarh SSP as well. While speaking to the media yesterday, he said that the rape could not be proven as no one had seen it happen. Listen in.
इसमें आवश्यक पुलिस यहाँ पहुँच गई है और सभी स्थिति नियंत्रण में है।
जाम लगाने के बाद कोई मांग वगैरह की थी कि वैसे
नहीं, ये एकदम शरारती कुछ तत्व आए हैं, उन्होंने मौके का फायदा उठाया। ये डेंस इलाका है, यहाँ पर काफी मकान है, काफी पब्लिक यहाँ पर रह रही है।
सर, लड़की के साथ में बलात्कार हुआ था?
ये आप कैसे तय कर सकते हो या हम कैसे तय कर सकते हो?
प्रकार की कार्रवाई की जा रही है, दबिश वगैरह दिया, क्या करेंगे?
पर जिन्होंने होता देखा क्या?
All right, let's get in Shubhajit Sen Gupta, who's joining us this morning from Aligarh. Good morning to you, Shubhajit. Aligarh was tense yesterday. Have things improved after the 3 cops were suspended, or do people think that's just a whitewash?
See, they do believe it's just a whitewash, and here the continuously remain to be anguished over the kind of action which was done by the police right here. I'm standing outside the house of the girl who had died in this process, and now that the people here are telling me right now is that what is this happening? First they go and try to register a complaint. The complaint is not registered. After that, when they find the body, they ask them to probe the incident. Even the probe is not done properly. So these are some of the important questions they are raising right now, and the kind of statement which is coming from the SSP, which locals here say is absolutely irresponsible. They say that what are the modern technologies? Even the post-mortem hasn't come in, no reports have come in, and how can anyone talk of an eyewitness in a sensitive situation like rape? So these are some of the questions which is coming in from here, and they are demanding these answers. If these answers are not met with, the villagers say they'll continue the struggles.
Give us a sense really of any more suspensions that perhaps we could be seeing in the day ahead. Anything that you've learnt from the government?
The government sources have indicated that 3 people, including the one CEO, the circle officer of this particular area, who was seen beating the woman on the footage which went across the country yesterday, shocking the nation, has been suspended as of now, and an inquiry has been initiated in this process. They are saying that more heads might roll, but as of now, no such words have come in. And today being Ram Navami, which is a government holiday, we might not see any kind of action coming in today. But they are saying in the coming days, more action can be expected in this case. But so far as today it pertains, the DIG has been telling us that apart from the 3 individuals, there is nothing coming in as of now. In fact, the police do not have any clear leads to the investigations into who murdered that young girl who was found, and the post-mortem report isn't out yet either.
So instead of beating up women and children, they should perhaps have been concentrating on finding the person who raped that little girl and then killed her. Not the first time the UP police is displaying insensitivity towards rape victims. Remember, not too long ago, they put a 6-year-old child who had come to register an FIR against her rapist in jail. The question is, why do they not learn from their mistakes? Here's how that debate played out on India at 9.
मुझे ये बताइए सर, हो क्या रहा है उत्तर प्रदेश में? क्या हो रहा है इस प्रदेश में? जंगल राज है, किसी की सुनी जा रही है, नहीं सुनी जा रही है सर?
जो भी घटना घटी है वो निंदनीय है, आलोचनात्मक, जिसकी आलोचना जितनी भी करनी चाहिए वो कम है, और सरकार ने उसको संज्ञान में लिया और जैसे रिपोर्ट मिली तत्काल उस पर सरकार ने एक्शन लिया।
आप इंश्योर कैसे करेंगे कि इस प्रकार की घटनाएं बार बार न हो? क्या आपके पास इस सवाल का कोई जवाब है शैलेंद्र जी?
देखिए, संवैधानिक तरीके से जो भी सजा देने का प्राविधान है उस पर सरकार अमल करेगी, उसकी जांच कराएगी, और जो भी कठोर से कठोर कदम सजा होगी वो देने की पूरी कार्रवाई होगी। सजा ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि लोगों को लगे कि सजा मिली है और उसकी पुनरावृत्ति भी नहीं होनी चाहिए।